Hello guys! Today's video, kasama ko yung kapatid ko guys. Gagawa kami ng random battle. 2v2 battle yun. Wait lang guys. Bubuuin ko lang to guys. Ngayon mamimili tayo ng random. Mamimili tayo guys ng dalawang random. Ayun yung kapatid ko guys. Wait lang. Eto guys, ako na unang mamimili. Ito guys, random mo guys, so nakapilit na ako. Wow. Ito yung una guys. So guys, si Zia Kings. Sa kapatid ko naman na yung dalawa. So yun na yung chiro dalawa. Ayun yung this naman guys. This naman. Dali yung... Ito naman guys. Ako man... Oh sige. Mauna daw yung kapatid ko na ito. 1, 2... Oy! Ngayon guys, saan yung pangalawa mo? Yung pangalawa niya guys. O yan guys, huwag kang muna bubuo. Randomly pa yan. Ngayon guys, ako na namimili ng dalawa. Kaya na namimili na ako guys. Itong dalawa guys. Ito guys, yung driver. Ako naman mauuna si Shiro na una kanina eh. First, the Zia driver. Wala pa.
Why would we want that? We got those slushies. And now that we know exactly how long Alan was going to be at the gym for, it was time to have some fun.
Go! Sapa.
Oh yeah!
Stop!
Sniff your fart, dude. Come on.
Ayun na tayo.
Other good pictures.
Ngayon guys, gagawin na namin combo namin. Ayun yung combo namin. Sabihin natin yung combo. Guys, gagawin ko.
We're gonna invite a subscriber over to see if they can find us. With a subscriber on the way, Tanner and I for some beloved outfits and waiting.
So guys, pagkaguhin kasi ako mag-isa. Tapos, lalagay ko ito. So guys. Ayun guys, nagawa ko ng dalawang combo ko. Ngayon, sasabihin natin, Zes Achilles, destroy. Winning, orbit, saka naman dito guys. Ito yung last kong combo. Ayun guys, maglalaban na kami.
She only has 30 seconds left, but we're constantly flying out subscribers from all around the world. And if you want to be in a video just like her, then all you have to do is subscribe. All right, you got 10 seconds. Quick!
Sorry, I got the rocks then.
That's a lot of stuff we got there. Oh, we're gonna have to hold her. Be careful, it's heavy.
Thank you. I had a lot of fun. Y'all can too if you subscribe.
Unfortunately, we lost track of time and forgot Alan will be home soon. Alright guys, we're gonna be going home for the last workout. Hey, how are we getting home? We're running home for the last workout. Let's go. Hey, but that's in like 30 minutes. I gotta run Alex. It's finally time to try the rest of the international snacks. Let's do it.
Ano guys, pwede ko Shiro na ba yung
Oh no, Alex, we're done. Dude, we're getting caught.
Shiro din, magagamit Shiro.
Almost there. Why did I agree to this?
Lian guys, yung unang Beyblade natin ay ito. At saka ito guys. Maglalaban na. Oh! Wait lang guys. Ang ganda ng kapatid ko guys sa kanya.
Sir, what is this picture? This is motivation? Because by this summertime, we're gonna look like this.
Lang guys. Wait lang guys.
I've been eating all day.
Nagalaw ko na. 3, 2, 1, go! Ayun guys, umiikot na.
Really? What's your dentist's
Up
name?
to 3 rounds to guys. Up. Kailan ko nanalo 3 beses yung kapatid ko. Edi siya yung, if he gets 1 point. Kung ako naman nanalo ng 3 points. Bahal maglipat. At saka yung rules guys, bahal muna maglipat. Next round na wala. Dapat makalampas mo na yung 3 rounds. 1 goes. Kamali ako naman ito guys.
What the hell was that? Credit this thing. I didn't know what to say. Told you. Just don't say anything. Hey, you guys go downstairs for the weigh-in? Guys?
At saka last round guys. Gusto na malaman sinong kasama ko guys ngayon. Ang isa kong kapatid na tinatawag. Ito yung kung may nanonood sa akin, kung hindi, kilala niyo to si Shiro? Rainbow Simon. Sabihin mo yung introduce yourself. Alam niyo sino yung gumagawa ng maganda content na yan. Ako yan. Rainbow Simon. Rainbow Simon. Ayan guys, yung kapatid ko. Nasa 3,000 na siya. Support nyo lang siya ng mataas. Pati din ako guys.
And that's at 2,000.
2,000 pa lang yung subscribers pala ng kapatid ko.
Say my name.
Pangalan niya Rainbow
Rainbow Simon.
Rainbow Simon.
Who won though? Sino nagnalo?
Ikaw. Nanalo guys yung kapatid ko ng 2 points. Last round.
99 pesos lang.
One gosh.
Ito may
Sino nanalo dito guys siya ng last round? Because 2-1 pa lang
Today
kami.
we're busting
Same
100 school
for
events in
one.
24 hours. Have you ever watched a school scene in a movie and thought, there's no way this would happen in real life? Well, in this video, we went back to school to bust all of the most insane school events, so make sure you watch it.
Panalo siya guys. 1
And the
point
first
na yung
school event we're
kapatid.
busting is, if you're late for the bus, it won't wait on you.
Kuya, pwede ako. Ano hindi? Kuya, palit ako. Red now. Red and blue.
One gosh.
During a fire,
One
it's best to
point.
remain calm.
Kaya wala yun.
There's a myth that football helmets won't protect your head. So we put a watermelon inside the helmet to test it out.
Wait lang guys. Di ba pala yun guys? Nanalo.
Yeah, it was real.
Wala guys. Talo.
The watermelon split in half, guys. That means it doesn't protect your
Ngayon
head.
guys,
I didn't know
panalo
that.
yung
The
kapatid
next
ko
school myth
next
is,
round.
fat kids always run to left.
Did not die when the greatest power declined. Oh, students, it's time for lunch. Let's
Dapat sabi mo, muna ako.
So we're on our way to the
Wait lang, guys.
cafeteria
Last-
now. And we're going to be
wait lang.
busting a few
Last
school
round.
lunch myths, starting
Three,
with
two,
cafeteria is disgusting.
Hey guys, that's the pizza.
Ooh, thank you, Tanner.
Yeah, I can't believe they have perfectly good pizza lying around
Panalo
everywhere.
yung kapatid ko guys. May huling round tayo. 2 points na ito guys. Ayun pa lang. Oh, 0 points. 0 points pa lang guys.
I'll save that for later.
The biggest food myth is the 5-second rule. Ew, gross. Why? Yeah, he's gonna drop it. Root for one. Once one started in a cafeteria, a food fight will start.
So Magbabawi ako guys ng 2 points. Kaya naging 2 points na ako guys. This is our last round. 3-2. Up to 4 kasi yung huling round guys ano up to 4. After 4 gamitin yung
The next of this is wrestling in school is nothing like WWE.
It's a draw. It's a draw, guys. Guys, iba ko lang yung cam. Tapos, lang. Wait lang, guys. Ganon. Yan. Ganyan mo lang. Lang, usog mo pa. Usog ka. Lang, usog mo. Yan. Usog! Sa! Wait lang, guys. Pinagalitan ko lang. Undas ko. Ayan guys, oh. Kala ko sa una guys kanina, matatalo na ako eh. Sa laban ng kapatid ko. Talo na ako guys.
There's way too much PDA.
Ano na guys, panalo yung kapatid ko this year. Ngayon guys, last na to. Last round na to guys. Sayang. Talo ako this round guys. Bawi na ako next round. At saka don't forget to like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. At saka supportan nyo din ako ng kapatid ko, diba? Like and subscribe. I'm already famous. Like and subscribe guys. Bye! And say goodbye. Goodbye.